friends, this is another midnight crafting. It always happened to me that when it's my day off, at least the first day, I really get inspired to craft later. This is my house management. I did a video about these, and I keep a lot of things here, and one of the areas that I work on this house management is the decoration and the holidays, birthday, and I love to keep the way that I decorate, the food, what to do, gift, different kind of things like Halloween, what movies, how I did the decoration for that, and for tea time, like a spring setup, winter, and in that way. And I don't have all that at the point that when I was doing my Thanksgiving fall, I kind of stopped. I put the title, I put a little sign, the movies titles to do, and I was beginning to do it, and then I stopped. It was like, okay, I will do it at some point. Well, today we will finish this. We will work on this part. If I need, I will use another page. But basic, what I do is take just a regular page like this, and I kind of cover, if it has color, everything that was in the color there. And I put a title, and sometimes a washi tape that works. So the other thing that I do, I print some of the pictures of the decoration that I did. Pretty easy. You can use different programs and just cut them. I will cut right now all of them. In that way we can use on this planning or page. Let's see. I made a mistake and I kind of printed really bad. But we're still being able to use. And a lot of these pictures will be for my memory planning. So it's not something that I'm throwing away. I can save them, I can use for other projects too. Doesn't need to be so perfect. We can always fix when it's on the planner. Ooh, it's been the ink. I made a mistake, like I say. I need to clean my little board as soon as I finish here. Okay, let me get something to clean. And we got all the colors away. Okay. We have our page here. We'll move away all these. And the first thing that I want to do is, okay, we will have an area where I will have movies. I want to have another area where is what I will have to do. I like to also think on food. So I'm thinking that at least fall is no a season that I have a lot of movies that I like. So if I leave just until there, I can have, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll leave 6 movies, yes. And then from there, we'll have what will be food. This can be from like the Thanksgiving meal, or if you are planning like some goodies that you really like. So I will leave there, and this will be part of what I usually like to do on that time. Pictures that I want to use, I will use, we'll use this one. will use this one here. Yeah, I wouldn't put just the basic pictures in this season, so let's put these together. The other ones that I want will be these. This one. This. And let's see. I think this will be, that will be how I want. Okay, so okay, we have these very basic and simple, and then we will be filling this part of the information. Let me put what I need here. I will use this book that is seasonals. I think it's one of the old seasonals. And for movies, I have some. Maybe I can put. Let me see. Maybe something like this. Since it's with the movies, they can go for movies there. To do food, do we have any? We can have a pumpkin there. Just we can play with some of the leaves. We got this other one. Okay, it's not like a lot of decoration. What I'm doing is more like trying to keep these. And now I think I want to do some borders on this, like a framing. Let me get my markers. I will use this copied color. I will try to just frame. Oh, it kind of go through. It's okay. We'll put just a little. Maybe we should use the other one. I didn't thought that it would be so strong. Let's go for colors. I know. I always let the plant at midnight finish doing some kind of mess. So I will not do more of that framing because I need to use everything to write also more instructions. What I do in these pictures is like describe what I have in each one of the areas, and in that way I remember what I'm doing for my decoration. So let's write that. And we got all the information that I need. I actually want to add, I have these stickers that I did long time ago. They're not perfect, but I think they will look good because they are related to all these, like this pumpkin, oops, little sticker there. This pumpkin coffee, oops, I think it's still living there. Come on, there. Pumpkin coffee, like a Starbucks kind. Then I have this turkey leg. That will be more like this area where I have the turkey meal. So I put a mix between the Thanksgiving meal that I usually have, or what we do for Thanksgiving. We're only two, but we cook like we were a lot of people here. So we have the turkey leg there, and when I have to do, you know, the decoration, I have this sticker that will be perfect, that it say Thanksgiving decor. Can put here. It would be perfect. Thanksgiving decor. So this is how it looks, my page. It's nothing really complicated what I did, nothing that you cannot do, but it's how I like to have. I didn't put a lot of movies, like I said. I think only 2 movies I really like is Legends of Fall and Lord of the Rings for this season. And to do is kind of like my list of things to do for the decoration, that is like from October 31st or from October 31st or November 2nd to do. Thanksgiving, what do I put here? Thanksgiving decor. So I remove all the decoration from Halloween, and I put the decor. So it says remove decor, Halloween decor. From October 31st to November 2nd, this is what I have to do. Remove the Halloween decor. Bathroom decor, kitchen decor, then flowers and candles, kitchen. The kitchen has all these areas that I decorate. That is the cafe bar, table, and door. Living room decor, and I include my aquarium. I love to put the flowers that I do there. Then the food. This is a mix between what we have for Thanksgiving and things that I like to have, like the pumpkin muffins I'm planning to do tomorrow. Pumpkin spice creamer. I already found a second one, so I'm happy with that. Pumpkin pie, I love that. Chocolate chip cookies, but I get the M&Ms that has the colors of Thanksgiving or like fall decor and fall colors, and I put on my cookies. So chocolate chip cookies with M&Ms. Cinnamon rolls, perfect. And coffee cake. I think coffee cake is like really, and cinnamon rolls are like the smells of fall, you know. And then here in the picture I put den. This is part of my den. I have the flowers and the candle there. This is my table, and I wanted to put what table is like for every day, because I have 2 other tables. Porch, my porch, and what I have to remember to do, like the pillows, the flowers, and the garland that goes around my door. Then you have here also the welcome sign, and I have another welcome sign that goes at the door, and the flowers here. Kitchen, I put this too. Don't forget that I put this, it's like a garland in the kitchen. This is in my den. Fall flowers and candles, one of the candles. And I didn't put pictures, but the bathroom, what I do in my bathroom and in the living room. So very simple. I hope in the future I can have more favorite movies for this area, but so far this is okay. And now I will put back on my planner. on my house management planner, and it goes after the Halloween one. I haven't done the Christmas, I don't think so. I've been doing this house management for so many years, but no everything is done. I have my winter decoration, and after that I have the Christmas stuff, you know what I have to do, etc, etc. All the sections and everything for my Christmas, I didn't put any pictures, but maybe I will use that. Ooh. Should I remove this one? Yes, I will remove all these stickers. Perfect. I have more stickers. I always forget that part. Oh, they're so cute. Perfect. Got it. So here is what I did for my house management planner. It's a simple old planner, just to give you an idea. One of the old happy planners. I just recycled it, the one of the boards and the rings. Then I was building everything slow. If you want to see more details of how I do this planner, on what I have in this planner, I put a video link that is actually on my blog channel. I did long time ago, and I wanted to share with people that is usually in my blog channel, so that's the reason I didn't put again in this channel. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this midnight crafting and very quiet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.